Hi everyone, it is William Knightsbridge. We are here at the Cabbagetown Parkscape. It is July 10, 2022. It's a Sunday and it's around 10 o'clock in the morning. This is what the Parkscape looks like here in Cabbagetown. Here's another view of the east, starting from the top of the Parkscape, moving south on Parliament. Here's a part of it on the west side. You have these tree trunks here, which I like a lot. Very nice. The craftsmanship that went into this work is remarkable. It's amazing how high quality the Parkscape is, and how effectively they put it together. So this is what it looks like looking east. And today is a Sunday, so there's the 65 Parliament bus. This tree here is huge, massive. It's hard to really appreciate in this video. But and it's very professionally smoothed and prepared. That's what's really standing out for me. The excellence in the craftsmanship and the high quality of the materials that they're using. This here is a huge tree trunk. Let me see if I can stand on these small steps here, get a better view. Let's stick on this one. Let's go around here. This is very cool. Hi. On this one, very fun. Here's some flowers. I think this Cabbagetown Parkscape adds a lot of value to the area and brings everyone out to explore, spend time outside. Everything is very clean, very professional, very high quality, very green. Feels like a very natural habitat. Everything feels very durable. This is a huge tree trunk. Amazing. It's very smooth. This is the second update video of the Cabbagetown Parkscape. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Let's see if I get some of the flowers, and I'll take a look north on Parliament. There we are. Some more flowers. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, hit the like button. For more video like this, please hit the subscribe button and the bell notification icon, and I will see you in the next one. Take care.